No more knowledge black holes. Turn your team's insights into your secret weapon. Ready to unlock project success? Managing project knowledge isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Capture, organize, and share what your team learns to boost decision-making and collaboration. Turn every project lesson into a stepping stone for success. Imagine having all valuable insights from past projects at your fingertips. Avoid past mistakes, replicate successes, and foster continuous innovation. Strong knowledge management practices create a culture of learning and improvement. So how do you get started? Use tools like knowledge bases, project management software, and regular team debriefs. Document everything, from big wins to tiny hiccups. Share this knowledge across your team to keep everyone on the same page. Mastering project knowledge management can set you apart. It's the key to making your processes more efficient and your projects more successful. Ready to transform your approach? Make every piece of project knowledge count. For a detailed video on the same topic, please visit our channel. Till next time.